Welcome to episode 45 of Daily Flip. I'm actually shooting this a little bit earlier than I normally do. It's only 4:45 right now. Normally I'm doing this about an hour later. I actually have to leave a little bit early today because I'm going to be meeting my wife at the gym at 6, and then we're doing Chick-fil-A with the family after with some friends as well. So I'm shooting this for that reason, and also because I'm actually mid-deal right now. If you look outside, I'll show it to you in a second. There's a Ford Focus that is actually part of a deal that I'm working on right now as a trade-in. So I've got to do some paperwork. She's at the bank. It's nice when someone is dealing with a bank. Most of the cars I do are cash. If someone comes in, they see a car on Craigslist, OfferUp, or the Facebook Marketplace, and they come in with cash. We do the deal that way. I just sold one yesterday, cash, a Mercury Montego. You can watch episode 44 for the details on that. But this is one she's going to the bank. The great thing when someone goes to the bank is normally they're not trying to negotiate as much because they're just happy they're going to get a vehicle. They take the bill of sale, which is actually this right here, and they go to the bank. The bank tells them yes or no. I'm pretty hopeful on this one because she's bought a car from me in the past. She didn't have any trouble financing that one. So she actually bought this car somewhere else. The original car she had was damaged in a flood, and she bought this one cheap somewhere, and then she's not very happy with this one, so she's come back to me, which is nice. So I have all this paperwork laid out here. Actually just got a package in. Hey, why don't we open this package? Just got a package like just literally walked in from the mail guy. I think I know what it is. I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's not working very well. Here we go. My camera in one hand, and yes, it is what I thought it was. Okay, the camera is going to get really thrown around here for a second. I'm going to lay it down, open this. There we go. Hopefully I didn't break that. This is a set of clips. I'll show you what this looks like actually. This is going to be really handy for us to have. This is a 400 and something piece, 415 piece set of interior and like bumper type clips. So if you ever have any loose moldings or loose bumper, we always fish around. We usually find it laying around, a clip of some sort or a push pin that'll work. But this was from Amazon. I'll tell you how much it cost because I have the receipt that should fall out of here. Maybe, maybe not. They didn't send a receipt. This is like $17, it was less than $20. And for us to not have to run around and find all of these little clips laying around everywhere, or make something work that's not supposed to, or use a zip tie in place of it, it's gonna be really handy. So this just came in today. We're gonna use this on our Honda in the back. I'll show you that in a second. So I've got this paperwork to do here in a second. In North Carolina, we're required to do a bill of sale. This is if you're a dealer. If you're not a dealer, you just have to sign the title over. We have a bill of sale, MVR1, this is the title application. The dealer reassigns it from us to the customer. This is the MVR 615. This basically shows that they have a valid driver's license. And we have a UPS truck that just rolled out. I have no idea why. Actually, this is FedEx. It's a FedEx guy. I guess their truck broke down. So he may walk in a second. That'll be fun. This is the 181 damage disclosure form. Tells if it's salvage or not. Most of ours are not. This is the odometer disclosure form. So it's going to tell how many miles is on it. So we disclose that. Also, we have a buyer's guide that we fill out. Basically lets them know, as this box here, it has an X in it, that all of our vehicles are as is. So he's unloading something. I don't know what else I have coming in the mail, so we'll figure that out in a second. But this is our potential trade-in right here. 2005, what is it, a Ford, forgot what it was, Ford Focus. The car of your dreams. Not quite. This is 191,000 miles. It's fairly clean, sorta, kinda. Not really, I guess. I'm going to be giving her, if this still goes through, $1,070. And you might be thinking, why are you giving her $1,070 for this 2005 with 190,000 miles? This is something I would preferably pay around 500 bucks for. But to make this deal work, she actually owes exactly $1,070. She has 6 payments remaining, and that's the total. So to make this deal work, I offered to pay off the vehicle. Now this is a vehicle that I have roughly $4,400 in. I sent her with a bill of sale over for $6,950 because that's what I'm asking for. She didn't negotiate me down any, so hopefully that goes through. So most people would have tried to get me down a little. So because she didn't negotiate me down on the price, I'm able to take the 500 bucks of wiggle room in the price that I'd already put in there and apply that towards hers. So really, I'm only investing 500 into hers because in my head that makes me feel better that I'm doing it that way. So Hopefully that goes through. She's there now. Still waiting on this mysterious UPS in a U-Haul situation to take place. But I'll walk you out in the shop right now, show you the progress we've made on our Jeep Wrangler. We have an engine that has been out of the vehicle. This is the one here. And now there's no longer a gaping hole. Here there's an engine. It's pretty much installed. I mean, everything's there. It's just a matter of you got the radiator, we've got the grille support, we've got the actual grille itself. The front bumper is somewhere around here. That ding we just heard is our UPS or FedEx guy probably dropping our package, so we'll stay back here. Otherwise, the clips I was referring to should be very helpful with this. We've got the front bumper. That's actually, well, I moved it because I had to go to Lowe's and I used this. Our front bumper is right there. It's in decent shape, so we're going to use it on the front and use the clips that we have inside to reinstall this. Otherwise, that's been my day pretty much today, working the deal just now for the Escape. Also, we've made some progress on our Envoy deal. We thought it had fallen through. They called yesterday and said they were coming today. They did come back today. They're trying to make things work. I'm trying to make the numbers work for them. We're waiting for the lender to let us know that everything is going to go through. Otherwise, that's been my day. I'll update you on the deal on the Escape tomorrow. You guys have a great evening, and I'll see you in episode 46.